A massive avalanche has hit a ski resort in Gulmarg, Jammu, and Kashmir. So far, 2 bodies have been recovered, and 19 foreign nationals have been rescued. Several others, including skiers, are feared to be trapped. According to the news, a rescue operation is being carried out by Baramulla Police along with other agencies. Those who were killed were skiers from Poland. So far, 19 foreign nationals have been rescued successfully. Dead bodies of 2 foreign nationals recovered and being shifted to hospital for medico-legal procedures, according to police officials.